Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kinesha, and if you're new here, welcome to all my returning subscribers and supporters. You guys are amazing. Thank you guys so much. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys how I made my DIY lip balm and my DIY lip scrub. I hope that you guys enjoy this and thank you guys so much for watching. So the items I'm going to be using in my lip balm today, so I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the beeswax, 1 tablespoon shea butter, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon jojoba oil. Here I have some beet and rose infused oil. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of it also. This vitamin E, I'm going to be using about 2 of the soft gels in there. And then I have some flavor oil. I'm going to be using 5 drops of this flavor oil. This is what I'm going to be putting them in. I have my measuring spoons and I'm going to be mixing them in this. I'm going to list other ingredients down below with links to where you can purchase these if you're interested. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and put my shea butter and my beeswax into my mixing cup and go ahead and melt those down. I went ahead and put everything except the vitamin E and the flavor oil into a mixing container, and then I put the container in a warm bath just to melt everything together. So this is everything melted. I went ahead and add the vitamin C. Now I'm gonna add my flavor oil. So I'm gonna try to add about 5 drops. 1, 2. Okay. I'm gonna give and then I'm just gonna have my containers here. I'm just gonna go ahead and pour it in my containers. So this is our moisturizing, hydrating lip balm because I'm so happy with the way this turned out. I love the color. These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using in my lip scrub. So we have honey, sugar, coconut oil, and vitamin E. I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of the honey, 2 tablespoons of the sugar, 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, and I'm going to be adding 2 of the soft gel, the vitamin E soft gel. I went ahead and combined everything in my bowl. Now I'm just gonna mix everything together. Make sure that everything is combined. So guys, sorry. I bought a tripod, I didn't get it yet, so yeah. Let's go. So that is it. This is our lip scrub. Quick, easy, and cheap. And you know exactly what's in your lip scrub. You can go ahead, you can add like a flavor to this, you can add color, but I'm just gonna leave mine with this. There you go guys, our lip balm and our lip scrub. I am so excited about the way these turn out. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy this. Please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. If you're new here and you like what you see, please go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Be safe guys, remember guys, be kind, love hard, forgive easy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Later guys.